Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start streaming on Twitch on iPhone, Android, and mobile. So first up, what you need to do is to make sure that you have a Twitch app available on your device. After doing that, you can just go ahead and launch the app and then make sure you're logged into your account. Now in here, just look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and this will allow you to already stream games or just stream IRL, where you can broadcast your life wherever you are. You can see that you can also access the creator dashboard from here, but that's not going to be the focus of our video. So for this demo, we're going to be focusing on streaming games. So just select stream games. And then here, you're just going to choose the specific game that you wish to stream. If it's not available here on the first page, then you can just search for it directly here on search games and categories. But let's say, for example, we're going to select maybe this one, Brawl Stars. Just hit next, and then there's going to be some streaming tips that they will show here. So just feel free to read through those so that you can make the most out of your stream. Once you're done with that, just hit next. Then you should be able to set up your stream. So just make sure to add a title for your stream. You can also edit some stream info right here. As you can see, you can go more specific with the info that you're going to show on your stream. So feel free to check that out and edit it accordingly. And then you can adjust the stream volume from your microphone or device, as well as some settings on stream notifications, VOD settings, store past broadcasts, and then you can just tap on this button at the bottom if you want to start going live. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.